How's it going, folks? It's Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, back with some awesome reviews. We love making reviews because you guys love them. We get the most views out of it, and we love helping you guys out. The best part about the reviews we make is we repair devices. So we look internally and externally, showing you guys the things you can see from the outside, and then giving you guys some more insight about what's going on the inside of the headphones, and we think that's really valuable. And so I've been actually wearing these units in the last couple of weeks, checking them out, seeing the things I like about them, seeing the things I hate about them, and there's a couple things I've learned that I thought I'd share with you guys that'd be really helpful. First off, price-wise, right? Everyone's really concerned about the price. These are very comparable in terms of price. The MSRP on the Studio 3s is about $379. MSRP on these QC35s, the second edition, is a little over $400. And so they're right about in the same range. All right, we'll start with the Bose. So Bose is a new product for us. We do sell Beats and Bose and tons of other electronics on our website, JoesGE.com. You guys can check it out. We sell refurbished products on there. And so we just started carrying Bose, and I've been testing them and seeing the things I like about them. What I've noticed about the Bose, these specifically, these are the newest edition that came out. What I did like about them is the fact that they feel really, really good on your ears. They feel amazing on your ears. They're really comfortable. You can wear them for a really long time. That's super awesome, right? If you're going to be working out or if you're going to be on an airplane, whatever you're doing, they're going to be comfortable, not too much pressure on your ears, and it's super easy to just put them on, zone away, just go and do whatever you're working on that day. It's really helpful for me because it blocks out noise really nicely. So I loved wearing these, and these were really cool to wear. A couple things I hated about them. The sound sucks compared to those Studio 3s. The sound is very tinny. It's I would say the bass on the Studio 3s is significantly better, along with the Studio 3s are much louder. When you put the Studio 3s to the highest volume, they're going to be louder than the Bose. I don't know if that's because of integration with an Apple iOS device. I'm using my iPhone X on this. I don't know which one's which, but I can tell you that the Studio 3s are significantly louder and they do sound better sound quality wise. But the QC35s, the second edition here, do fit better, and I feel like the design overall is really nice around the ears. I love that. So that's the things I love about this. I also enjoy the battery life here. It's about 40 hours. The battery life is longer than the Studio 3 wireless, which is really cool. The Studio 3 wireless, on the other hand, they have a passive noise cancellation, meaning it picks up ambient noise around you and it goes through the process of blocking all that out, which is really, really cool. I love that. The Studio 3s, what's nice about them is when you have them on and somebody calls you, it picks up the outside noise and the ambient noise on the outside and kind of brings it in. So it's kind of weird how it does it, but it does have some cool technology built into it, which I do like. In terms of design, I love the Studio 3s. They're more for if you're anywhere from 18 to 30, you want some cool headphones, you definitely want the Studio 3s. They sound better, they look better, something that you can put in your gym bag or you're gonna be traveling, whatever you're doing, Beats just look awesome on you. On the other hand, the Bose, definitely an older generation, older crowd wears them. I would say that they're definitely more comfortable, but the sound quality is not as good in my opinion. And we sell both of these, so we don't really care. We're not biased one way or another. This is just my personal opinion on it. All right, what's going on the inside of the headphones? So both of these speakers have the same exact driver. They're both 40 millimeters. The driver is pretty much across the board exactly the same driver. The only difference is the circuitry and what's causing it to sound one way or another. Beats much better for high-end music. If you're going to be listening to things that don't have a lot of bass, I totally recommend the Bose. They fit well, way better on them, and I think that's really cool. And the Beats, if you want to hear some muddy bass, I would definitely stick with the Studio 3s. So I want to show you guys some more cool things about the ear pads. The reason why I like the Bose for the ear pads is going to be right here. I'll show you guys the ear pads. So we sell Bose Beats, all kinds of parts, and what's unique about these ear pads is you can see through here, right? This is the Bose QC ear pads. When you put your ear into this, as you can tell, your ear sticks out through the back of it, right here. So you have a lot more comfort that way when you have your ear pad like this. And the way the Bose designed their ear pad is really unique because the back end of it is hollow. So if you look at these ear pads right here, you can see that there's space here specifically for your ear to pop right in place, so then your ear is super comfortable in the back. It's not touching any other material, which is super smart. I like the way they did that. If you look at the Bose Beats here, it is closed. So your ear is going to be touching this right here, which causes the irritation over time, right? You have it right here. My top of my ear right here is touching. I can feel it touching right here. And this is going to be touching the plastic part that's holding it, which is the speaker housing. This is the reason why the Bose is more comfortable than the Beats. But the Beats in my opinion, has significantly better quality of sound. And so I thought this was kind of unique, and I thought I'd bring that up to you guys. So the specs, very similar across the board, right? Both of these companies are competing to get your money to see which one's better. Either is a great pair of headphones. I do love the Beats, the way it folds. It's a nice slim profile, so you can put them in a nice clamshell. And so when you look at the Beats case, it's a round shell like this. You can put the headphones in there. If you look at the Bose, it's wider. The way they fold is like this, right? So let's look at this. Bose folds this way, and so their case goes like this. So it takes a little bit more real estate up and down that way. So if you want to put this into a book bag, it'll slide perfectly in there, right? But if you're going to be putting this in something else, maybe it's not going to be the best. It takes a little more surface area this way. The way the Bose do flip, they go this way, right? And so you have kind of a round shell, you put it in. So looks like this one takes a little bit more real estate. But what's also cool about the Bose is the fact that they do fold this way as well. It's just their case is not necessarily designed to be able to make your headphones fold and hold like this. All right, I thought I'd put these next to each other. If you look, it looks like the Bose is just, it looks like a little bit, if you look right here, Bose looks a little bit bigger, right? As you can tell right here, slightly bigger. You can look on the sides here. Look at the headband. The Bose has a thinner headband, the Beats has a bigger headband. What I do like about the Beats is the fact that they have metal hinges. So it does weigh a little heavier, it does feel like a higher quality part. If you look at the Bose, it has a small thin piece of metal here. It kind of feels cheap. Honestly, for $400, yeah, I don't know. Kind of makes it feel cheap. I was surprised the first time I tried them on that this is kind of what you get. Everything is plastic, which is, you know, I guess that's normal these days, but I thought it'd be kind of cool to do something what Beats does. So they have these metal hinges, which is kind of nice. Nice little kick to it, adds a little luxury feel to it, which I do like. And that's kind of cool. All right, another thing, so the pairing. How do you pair these and how does it work? So Bluetooth. The Bose Bluetooth kind of sucks. That's what I'm gonna say. Why? It cuts in and out more frequently. At the same time, once you hit that 30 feet range on the device, it does not do a really good job of kind of reconnecting when you get back within the area of the device. The Beats, on the other hand, has a W1 chip built in, so when you plug it into your iPhone, you have a really seamless Bluetooth. I had no idea how bad the Bose Bluetooth was until I started wearing them. And then now that I'm wearing the Beats again, I love the fact that there's no interruptions. It's very rare when you get little snippets where it'll cut out for a second, half a second, and you have to turn it off and turn it back on. I've done that frequently with the Bose, but with the Beats, with the W1 chip built in, it's actually super easy and it's very seamless, and I love the fact that they did that. It makes it really easy to pair, and it also has significantly better the range is the same, but the connection throughout that range is much better. Also, when you walk within the distance, right back within 30 feet, your device will automatically connect, will make that little noise. But sometimes with the Bose, you can be right next to your phone for 5 minutes, it still won't reconnect. Why? I have no idea. Sometimes you have to go back into the device, click in it, go to your Bluetooth settings and click to reconnect it, which kind of sucks in terms of the usability of it and just how easy it is to use. All right. Last couple things I have to say, this is a pretty cool pair of headphones. We sell these on our website. We'd love your guys' support if you guys want to buy these off our website, or if you can just go to any of your technology stores, buy them there. Make sure you're buying authentic products and just enjoy your music. Keep jamming hard. We're going to keep making more videos to help you guys out. Leave a comment in our video, like it up, share it. Hope this helped you guys out. And if you guys want to see any other videos, let us know. We're always willing to make more, and hope you guys have a fabulous day. Thank you so much.